Alright guys, hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Izzat Iskandar. My matrix number is 23DLS, 25F and 1101. Right now, next one I'm going to introduce you guys to my teammate.
Yeah, my name is Rafi Aziz bin Khairullah. My matrix number is 23DLS F25F1113.
Alright, now next one please, come here.
My name is Muhammad Ifah Wafiq Dizani. My matrix number is 23DLS25 F1065.
Right now, next one, come here.
My name is Aulia Darasa Putri binti Muhammad Azhar. My matric number is 23DLS25F1017.
Okay, now next one.
Okay, my name is Natika Bitaib. My matric number is 23DLS25F1053. Okay.
Right now guys, please come here around me and let's show you guys face together. So this is our face. Okay, hi.
So now we are going to presentation about accounting. Okay, stay tuned.
Introduction. Accounting is often called the language of business because it records, summarizes, and communicates financial information. This presentation will discuss the functions of accounting bodies, MIA and MASB, types of accounting fields, key accounting concepts with examples, and source documents and their use in the books of prime entry. Functions of accounting bodies. So what is accounting bodies? Accounting bodies are the governing organizations that make sure accountants are qualified, professional and follow proper standards. One of the accounting bodies are Malaysian Institute of Accountants, MIA. So it regulates the accounting profession in Malaysia, issues license and ensures compliance with ethics, and provides professional development to accountants.
Okay, so now I'm going to talk about types of accounting fields. First of all, we have financial accounting, which is for produce financial report for external users such as investor and creditor. Secondly, we have cost accounting, which is focused on recording and controlling cost of production. Thirdly, we have management accounting, which is provide information to manage for planning, controlling and decision making. For example, financial accounting prepare the annual report, while management accounting prepare internal budget. Okay, so now I'm going to explain about accounting concept above. Okay, first of all, we are going to talk about materiality concept. Is only significant information should be recorded. For example, 2 ringgit broken stationery, maybe you know, but a 20,000 machine must be recorded. Second, business entity concept is the business is separate from the owner. This means the owner's personal expenses cannot be mixed with company transaction. Thirdly, going concern concept. Going concern concept is assumes the business will be continue operating in the future. So, the assets are recorded at cost rather than liquidation value.
First, accrual concept. Accrual concept means we record income and expenses when they actually happen, not just when the cash come in or goes out. So, for example, if someone buys from us on credit, we still record it straight away. This way, the account show the real situation. Second is the objectivity concept. This means whatever we record must have proof, like invoice or receipt. It's not just number we turn in, it's based on real evidence, so it's more trustworthy. And the last one is the money measurement concept. We only write down things that can be measured in money, like a 50,000 ringgit building can be recorded. But things like employer loyalty or company reputation cannot, because you cannot put a price tag on that.
For source documents are the original evidence of transactions. They are important because they provide proof, prevent fraud, and support audit processes. Without them, accounting records will not be reliable. These are all the source documents that are used in business transaction. There is sales invoice, credit notes, official receipt, memo, and check counterfoil. Sales invoice is issued to customers when goods are sold on credits. For credit notes is issued when goods are returned or overcharged. For official receipt is evidence of cash received from the customers. For memo is used for small internal transactions. For the last one, for the check counterfoil, it is the proof of payment made by check.
Recording in books of prime entry, sale invoice, same as sale journals, credit note, sales return journal, official receipt, cash book, memo, general journal, check counterfoil, cash book, in column bank column. For example, a sales invoice of RM1000 will be recorded in the sales journal, then posted into the debtors ledger.
So now I will give you the example transaction flow by sales invoice. Okay, the question is, on 2 January, a sales invoice was issued to Ali Enterprise for goods sold on credit worth 4,500 ringgit. State the appropriate book of prime entry. Okay, the book of prime entry is sale journals. Why is sale journals? It's because the sale journals is a special journal used to record all sales of merchandise on credit only. Since this transaction is a credit sale, it must be recorded here. Okay, how to do sale journals? Okay, first of all, you need to make a table with 3 columns, and on 3 columns we have date, detail and amount. On date, we will write 2 January. For detail, we will write Ali Enterprise. For the amount, we will write 4,500 ringgit.
This is an example of a credit note. A credit note is issued by the seller when a buyer returns goods or when there has been an overcharge. In this case, on 3rd January, Ahmad Trading returned goods worth 700 ringgit. So, a credit note was sent to them. This transaction is then recorded in the sales returns journal.
This is example transaction flow for official receipt. The question is, on 5 January, an official receipt was issued for 1,200 ringgit cash received from a customer. State the appropriate book of prime entry. Okay, the answer is recorded in cash book.
Okay, so this is the transaction flow for memo. The question is, on 8 January, the owner prepared a memo to record additional capital of 8,000 ringgit. State the appropriate book of prime entry. So the answer is, on 8 January, the owner added 8,000 ringgit capital. We record this in the general journal. Bank goes debit 8,000 ringgit, capital goes credit 8,000 ringgit. That's the memo entry.
Example transaction flow, check counterfoil. The question is, on 10 January, a payment of Rm 2,500 was made to a supplier by check, and the document obtained was a check counterfoil. State the appropriate book of prime entry. The answer is recorded in cash book, bank column, credit side. Date 10 January, details payment to supplier, cash, no, bank Rm 2,500. In short, your check counterfoil stays in the check book as your record of payment. Provide details like date, pay amount and check number. Support the entry you make in the cash book, bank column, to show the money leaving your account. That's all. Conclusion. In conclusion, accounting provides a strong foundation for business, transparency and decision making. The rules of MIA and MASB ensure high professional standards, while different accounting fields serve both internal and external users. Concepts like materiality, actual, and objectivity guide how financial information is recorded. Finally, source documents and prime entry books guarantee that all transactions are accurate and trustworthy.